Your hair breathing heavy like a dog.
You scared me.
I don't they call you since. Why you do me like this now? Like 4 years now, I know they ask you. At least you'll agree for me now. I love you. I feel do anything for you. I feel go any miles for your matter. As a matter of fact,
Breathe.
I feel die for your matter.
I know you love me, but you scared me. See, it's not like I don't like you, but I don't want to love you and leave you halfway.
You try to leave me halfway. If you love me, you go deal with me forever now.
That's my point exactly. But that's why I have kidney problems. I don't want you to fall in love with me and I die tomorrow.
Ah, God. Why bad thing always happen to good people? Fine girl like this.
Or can you donate 1 kidney for me? Osasu.
You got a tough man.
He was here now.
You say you don't want to die, Abi?
Make I give you kidney when I not be Messiah.
Something way bad for this.
After Jesus Christ don't die for our sin. Anybody will die for anybody.
We just pray.
He or she is the sinner.
Every quication. Sorry, please.
Declare, you got.
Come make me gather, solve this matter, Barrister Titus, Ogbonge grammar, who be the baba, Barrister Titus, Chai.
No, sir. So right here, your bill is 120,000.
You joking?
What is it? What is your problem?
No problem.
What is your problem? You're still talking to Sandra. We had issue last night because of your ex. No, don't tell me to calm down. What
You
is
gotta
it?
trust
I'm
me.
not good enough for you. Why are you always embarrassing me? We came out here together and you're still pressing your phone.
Aye.
What is it? You know what? I'm done and this is it. I'm breaking up with you. What nonsense? Please, don't.
Hold on, it hasn't gotten to.
Please, excuse me, sir. Your bill.
Hold on now, let me settle with my girlfriend. I'm coming back.
Please, don't touch me. I said stop begging me. I really can't believe I wasted. I said stop touching me. I'm breaking up with you. This is the height of it. I'm breaking up. I said I'm breaking. My cheek.
Jesus. The one. Hit the ground running.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a very bad boy.
Time is up. They are supposed to be cooking tonight.
Babe, see we're drunk.
Yeah, we're still drunk.
Na bahali nafaa kwenda na design speed fulani boxa Kawasaki jeke masan.
Bring those bags.
Connie, you're not going.
I cannot. I am drunk. I can't move.
I hide now. Guys, stop popping into me. Walk alone. Walk by yourself. But that chicken makes sense. Yeah, I said that chicken. You eat that chicken. I said that chicken. The party man. I think. I say. Walk alone. Baba, this is our work done the pay.
If I stop this work, make a you can wish.
Now business now we they do here. See that shima where they come. Go possess your possession.
Hey!
Abba.
Yes.
What's up?
Passwords.
Come on, bastard!
Hey! If you shout, oh yeah, run! Run!
You can wish.
Your moral big pass my own,
Oh boy, I can see what you collect. Bro. This one go well, oh. Check whether not too sim.
You be like saying I force him there.
Jaboski.
God have mercy upon
When I better know. That's up tomorrow. This man. I walk.
Oh boy, empty him.
Calm down now. Now we will. I saw everything. And I must say, you guys did a very nice job. And bet me, this work will move from grass to grace.
Who you be? How can we help you?
Baba, one join. You know, make I for the make small rubber.
Rich ones and You can wish.
That means say you go check. So that you go fit see where.
Okay?
Give a making check.
See, make I tell you, are you be the last person where we go employ for this work? Okay, boy.
Sonyo Nyame is coming on stage. Another collabo. With Chijo.
Oh, you see that yellow papa where they come. Now she hold your glory. Oh, you go collect your glory.
Hey! This man! Charlie boy, so Mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now Mumu don't too much.
What's here? Pass them.
Passwords.
Hey!
Are you okay? Like, are you normal?
You can wish.
Yeah, I'm going to call my brothers for you.
Go.
I'm going to bring them here.
Let's go. Go.
Like you're going with me.
Okay.
Is it far?
It's close.
Let's run.
Uncle, this guy here ate my food and he harassed me on the way.
This guy.
Yes.
Ate your food and harassed you on the way.
Yes, the food I bought from the fast food.
So like this I take better to have this year.
Hey!
Go.
You can wish.
Little boy. How are you?
Hey!
How old is he? I guess 6 years.
Blood of
He's growing.
Hello, too. Hello.
You joking? You can wish.
Go.
We dey up, they watch you for CCTV.
Hey!
And you get mine, carry our senior brother for hand. Amaka,
Brother,
what you say we happen?
he ate my food and he harassed me.
It's true.
Hey!
And I don't like so.
With chicken.
With chicken.
This ain't Charlie boy, so Mumu don't too much.
With chicken.
Charlie boy, now Mumu don't too much.
I'm too much. You know they am. Tell him.
You can wish. Hey!
It is smoky, boo.
How?
Hey!
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
You can wish. Wish there is blood money. You can wish.